Surprise, surprise, surprise. What's up guys, and the best news is here. I can't believe I'm making a back-to-back Galaxy Note video, but guess what? It is actually coming back. Finally, we have some proper news from a proper source with a great track record saying that the Note in 2022 exists and it might be back with a crazy new feature to its S Pen. If done right, it's gonna give the Galaxy Note's S Pen a whole new meaning, a proper comeback with a bang. As always, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and let's get right into it. Now, as we know, the next generation Galaxy Note lineup has been the topic of conversation lately. No one really said anything, but now Samsung's big leak boy is back saying that someone in the supply chain has seen the evidence for the existence of the next generation Galaxy Note phone. I can already imagine the Note fans jumping in joy. Now, we are talking about the standard Galaxy Note smartphone here. It will pack similar hardware and features as the S22 Ultra, but instead we'll have a squarish design, possibly a second generation underscreen camera, which Samsung, as we know, is not doing on the S22 Ultra, so it makes sense to debut that technology on the next Note phone. And finally, the next Note generation can get a crazy new S Pen upgrade. The timing couldn't be more perfect. According to the new Samsung patent that came to the scene yesterday courtesy of Let's Go Digital, we have a Galaxy Note flagship smartphone with a full screen, all-screen display with S Pen that has a built-in camera. As you can see in the images, the S Pen is apparently moved towards the top of the phone and it actually acts as a front camera. You can apparently use the S Pen as a pop-up camera for taking selfies, or you can take the S Pen out completely and have a fully detachable camera system. This removable camera-based S Pen will likely utilize Bluetooth, NFC, or Wi-Fi for the connection. In addition to that, it also has motion sensors built in, which will allow it to detect movements. There are also built-in air gestures. For example, you will be able to stop video recording by moving the device from left to right. The most craziest part about this S Pen camera is that it might even be changeable, so you can use different cameras with different apertures and get different results. That to me actually sounds really amazing, something that we have not seen on any smartphone. A changeable camera system is super duper exciting. Now, I have no idea how Samsung will pull this off, but this completely makes sense because we already have S Pen on so many Samsung flagship devices, so if Samsung wants to bring the traditional Galaxy Note phone back in the game, it has to have a S Pen with a special feature that no smartphone on the planet has. So a built-in interchangeable camera lens inside the S Pen sounds like a massive upgrade to the traditional Note phone. Now, as we know, the Galaxy S22 Ultra is coming in January and it's actually gonna miss out on some features like the under-display camera and possibly the continuous zoom setup. So all of these technologies will be ready for the second half of 2022, so they actually match the timeline of the Galaxy Note 22 more than the S22 Ultra. All in all, Samsung can do a lot with the next generation Note phone. The exciting times are coming. Note fans, this is your moment. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. If you guys are new here, be sure to subscribe for daily tech videos, and I'll see you guys later. Peace out.